What's up, guys? Welcome back to another epic unboxing video. I've got this very large package in front of me, which is sitting on my laptop because my desk is very small. So here we go. I'm gonna open it. How am I gonna do this while holding my phone? I don't have a real camera, so what is the best way to cut this open? That kind of works. I'm doing a bad job of doing this while recording it. Oh, I just realized I'm gonna have to blur out my address because I've got this in the mail. That sucks. Come on. Okay, whatever. That's good enough. I hope. Oh shit, did that screw up the audio? No, it didn't. Okay. Take this off. You see my awesome Hollow Knight and Hyperlight Drifter stickers? I do. They look great. Okay. There's nothing in it. No, I'm just kidding. You got pranked. Okay, here it is. You can't see it. There we go. Look at the light. The AverMedia Portable 2 Plus capture card. So, I pretty much only bought this for when Smash comes out in December. But I'll make some other stuff with it before then. Fuck, this is gonna be really hard while holding my phone. Okay, let's try this. Come on. I might have just bumped my mic a little bit, but you know what? That's fine sometimes. Okay, that should be good enough, right? This is the most professional video ever made. Okay, get that off there. Okay, here it is. Without plastic on it now. How do I open this? Oh, does this just slide off? I think it does. Go. Go faster. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Oh, okay. That wasn't supposed to happen. Here's what the inside of the box looks like. You literally cannot see it at all. Where's the light? Here you go. Okay, here it is. It's very triangular. It's got some like volume or something here. Some mode switching. Focus. Come on. Some like mode switching. I don't know what these modes are. I have to read how to use this thing. On the bottom, oh, maybe I shouldn't show that actually. That's probably like serial number and stuff. On the bottom, you have HDMI. Or no, this isn't the bottom. This is the most professional video I've ever made. You have HDMI out and in, right? You got USB power input, SD card slot, I think that is. So the sides have nothing on them, so that's fine. And then under this stuff, get out. Get out of there. We've got some foam with the triangle on it. We have a warranty. That's cool. Cover up those QR codes, maybe. Like feedback thing, I guess. Some kind of manual. Or wait. What is this? This is just an ad for a different product that I don't own. That's cool. I'm really glad that I get to know about all these things because I bought the most expensive one. That's great. Okay, get out of here. We've got the quick start manual, which I'm not gonna look at right now. We've got an HDMI cord that's quite short, to be honest. What is this? This is the USB to power it, right? And then this is, oh, for direct audio, I guess. Can you not get audio from the HDMI cord? Oh, that might suck. Or I guess maybe that's for like recording voice stuff. With these ports, you can't see them very well. Because, let me do it like this. There you go. With these ports, you plug them in. I'm not sure how that works because I haven't read the instructions. But anyway, there's the thing. And all the stuff it came with. This is the best video ever. Okay, bye.